Hello and welcome to this session on biomolecules and key biochemical principles. Today, we'll explore the fundamental building blocks of life and understand how biomolecules shape the structure and function of living organisms. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify the main biomolecules, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, and explain their roles in biological systems. Carbohydrates are essential for energy storage and supply. They include glycogen and cellulose, each serving unique functions. Glycogen acts as an energy reserve, while cellulose provides structural support. Understanding their structure helps explain their roles. Diagrams can illustrate these concepts effectively. Proteins perform various roles, including acting as enzymes and providing structural support. They also facilitate transport within cells. Their complex structures range from primary to quaternary levels. Each structure level determines the protein's function. Accurate diagrams can clarify these intricate details. Lipids are crucial for forming cell membranes and storing energy. They also play a role in hormone production. Their hydrophobic nature allows them to form barriers in aqueous environments. Understanding lipid structures aids in comprehending their diverse functions. Visual aids can enhance this understanding. Nucleic acids, like DNA and RNA, are vital for genetic information storage and transfer. DNA holds the genetic blueprint, while RNA translates it into proteins. Their structures enable these critical functions. Understanding nucleic acids is essential for genetics. Diagrams can simplify these complex molecules. Enzymes have specific structures ranging from primary to quaternary levels. The active site is key to their specificity. Models like lock and key or induced fit explain enzyme action. Optimal conditions are crucial for enzyme function. Denaturation can impair their activity. Enzymes have vast industrial and medical applications. They catalyze reactions efficiently, saving time and resources. In medicine, they aid in diagnostics and treatments. Understanding their optimal conditions enhances their use. Enzymes are indispensable in various fields. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen and yields high ATP levels. It involves glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. This process is efficient in energy production. Glucose and oxygen are vital inputs. Tables can help compare this with anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen, yielding less ATP. It is less efficient than aerobic respiration. This process is vital in certain environments. It involves glycolysis, but lacks the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. Comparing these processes highlights their differences. Mendelian genetics explains inheritance patterns through genes and alleles. Dominant and recessive traits follow specific laws. The law of segregation and independent assortment are key principles. Monohybrid and dihybrid crosses illustrate these concepts. Chromosomal inheritance determines sex. Grading standards assess knowledge, skills, and presentation. A merit requires good breadth and use of facts. Distinction demands excellent application and depth. Subject skills focus on accuracy and reasoning. Transferable skills evaluate structure and referencing. Assignments should have clear headings for each learning objective. Start with definitions and explain structures before functions. Use tables for comparisons and include labeled diagrams. End with a Harvard reference list. This structure ensures clarity and organization. Submit assignments via email with a signed declaration. Include a word count and a Harvard reference list. Ensure the document is well-structured and referenced. Follow submission instructions carefully. This ensures your work meets academic standards. This is the conclusion of the video. Apply these concepts in your studies and assignments. If you have questions, message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.